All right, good evening, YouTubers. Today I want to talk about the Security Plus Federal Credit Union and American Express Blue Cash Everyday $300 cash bonus and how you can achieve that. The Security Plus Federal Credit Union does have AMEX funding of $2,000, and the AMEX Everyday Blue Cash does have 0% APR for 15 months on balance transfers within the first 60 days. There's no annual fee on the AMEX Everyday Blue Cash, and there's also no monthly fees for the Security Plus Federal Credit Union. Today I'll walk you through how to fund your Security Plus Federal Credit Union with $2,000 using your American Express card to get a $100 Amazon gift card within 60 days. And then you also get the $200 credit to your American Express card once the requirements are met. Going forward, here's a link for signing up for the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card. There is a process on the website where you can do a pre-check without actually doing a hard pull on your credit to see if you qualify ahead of time. So that will save you a little bit of time. To get the $200 reward for your American Express Blue Cash every day, you want to make $2,000 in purchases in the first 6 months of using the card. The $200 cashback will be posted as a statement credit once all requirements are met. Now, when I did this last year, the $200 was posted almost immediately. In fact, it was like the next day. Before you do the purchase, I would recommend contacting American Express to make sure that your cash advance limit is set to $0 so that you aren't hit with any surprise interest charges when you try to fund the Security Plus Federal Credit Union with your American Express card. So I do advise doing that ahead of time. Going forward, some of the card benefits for the American Express Blue Cash every day. There's 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months from the date of the account opening. If you do a balance transfer, it has to be done within 60 days of the account opening, or else you won't be able to take advantage of that. But it's good to be able to use purchases on 0% interest and not have to worry about any interest charges, at least for the first 15 months. Some of the other advantages for the American Express Blue Cash: there's an $84 Disney bundle credit. You'll get a $7 monthly statement credit once you're enrolled in a $9.99 monthly subscription to the Disney bundle. There's also 3% cash back on groceries, U.S. online retail purchases up to $6,000, and U.S. gas stations. The card does not have an annual fee. There won't be one after the first 12 months, so it's a keeper. You can just hang on to it. The balance transfer fee within the first 60 days is either $5 or 3% balance transfer, which is pretty standard from what I see on most credit cards. Going forward, this is just the process. The link that pops up when you click on the link to sign up for your American Express Everyday Blue Cash. You can check here for pre-qualification to see if you're eligible prior to submitting your application. Another great benefit of American Express is if you're already a card holder, they may not pull your credit because you're already in their footprint or as a member, so you may benefit from not even having to have them pull your credit. That also happened to me last year when I applied for the American Express Blue Cash preferred card. My credit wasn't even pulled because I already had a Hilton American Express. So it's a good card because you don't have any hard credit pull, and it saves you your credit score dropping 15 points. And just another brief summary of some of the benefits of the American Express Blue Cash every day. Going forward, once you get approved for your American Express Blue Cash every day, when you do get approved, you'll be given your card number right then and there. It'll display it on for you. You want to write it down. Keep it in a safe place, and write down the security code as well as your American Express credit card number. Once you have that information and you've lowered your cash advance limit to $0, you want to go here to open your Security Plus Federal Credit Union. Click on the link here. Anyone can join through the American Consumer Council. Membership is free. During the sign-up process, you have the ability to sign up for the American Consumer Council for free. There will be no charge. As with most credit unions, you do have a mandatory $5 savings account that you have to open. You can fund your account with your American Express card of up to $2,000, and that'll help meet the requirement for that will meet the requirement for the Security Plus Amazon gift card, and that will be sent to you through email within 60 days of meeting the requirements. The other requirements for the for the $100 Amazon gift card is you need to establish a qualifying direct deposit of a minimum of $200 within 60 days. You have to maintain the checking account in good standing for 60 days, and there are no monthly fees. As I mentioned, the $100 Amazon gift card will be sent via email 60 days after all requirements are met. Another good benefit for the Security Plus Federal Credit Union is that you can do the funding multiple times with different bank products through Security Plus Federal Credit Union, such as CDs, checking accounts, savings. So it's a good checking account to keep on hand if you have additional American Express funding that you need to take care of. Just realize that there will be another checks pull every time you sign up for a checking account. And just to let you know, the Checks is actually a consumer reporting agency that collects and tracks information about your checking and savings account history. So just be aware that that will occur. And here are just some screenshots for the account application. You're going to select on New Member, and going forward, you want to select the Exceptional Checking, which has no monthly fees. You can request a debit card. It's not mandatory you do so. You want to select direct deposit because you'll need to do a direct deposit of at least $200 in order to get the $100 Amazon gift card. Overdraft, do not select that because they will do a hard credit pull if you select that, so just ignore it. Going forward, as mentioned, they are check sensitive. There's a soft pull. Once you submit your application, you'll get a pop-up screen just to verify your identity. Information about previous addresses, employers, that kind of thing. The next screen after you click on accept and they accept you is where you'll fund your checking account. Now, I don't have a copy of the screen here because I'm already a member. I'm not ready to open up another checking account yet. But you can use your American Express card to fund your checking account with $2,000. After you click on your funding information, you'll be prompted to upload a copy of your proof of citizenship and proof of residency. You'll be communicating through Security Plus Federal Credit Union through secure messaging. It's pretty user-friendly, pretty standard when you open up checking accounts to go pending. However, you may get approved instantly. That is a possibility as well. And after that process, and you're approved, the 2000 AMEX funding can be repeated with different bank products through Security Plus Federal Credit Union. When you're ready to withdraw your funds, just from experience, I would recommend that you withdraw just a little bit at a time. Keep it under $500 or even lower if you can when you're transferring it out to a bank account to pay off your American Express card. You can earn up to $500 in Amazon gift cards per year for referrals. And the reason I say withdraw a little bit at a time is that you just want to kind of avoid unnecessary calls from Security Plus, because they will call you and ask if you requested this transfer because they value your safety and security. So just keep that in mind when you're withdrawing your funds to pay off the American Express card. That's what I did, and it worked out for me. So this is a total of $300, $200 cash credit to your American Express Blue Cash and a $100 Amazon gift card. And the Amazon gift card will get emailed to you within 60 days after meeting the requirements. So if you have any other questions or comments or anything that you would like to see covered, you can leave comments in the comment section, or you can also direct message me. I'm also on bank bonus forums as well, so feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you for listening to me, and hopefully you sign up and take value out of what I've had to offer for today. Thank you.